moving on to the anti-corruption campaign of the administration and the effort to demand accountability seems to have fizzled out. What is your own assessment?
Again, please.
For instance, the ICC's task is winding down. It's down to just one commissioner. How do you assess the effort of the government to hold those behind the flood control scam accountable? It seems to have fizzled out.
Yeah, I think the Ombudsman has all the powers to investigate this and to file criminal cases against those responsible. We don't need an ICI. That was created because at that time there was a vacancy in the Ombudsman, and people were not too happy with the previous Ombudsman. So, but now I think the incumbent Ombudsman is quite serious in going after the flood control scams, those who are liable for these flood control scams. So I think the investigation should be now turned over to the Ombudsman.
Mm-hmm. Do you still see the need, Justice, for a legislated body to take over the task of the ICI?
Well, actually, there is no need because the Constitution has empowered the Ombudsman to investigate any official in government. No? He has constitutional authority. What is needed is if he lacks personnel, lawyers, investigators, the Congress should provide the funding so he can hire these people. But in terms of power, the power is all there in the office of the Ombudsman.
I guess one of the issues also, Justice Carpio, is the speed, right? We were so excited, hoping it would be done by December 15 or something big would happen by then. Obviously, if you look realistically, it might be a stretch, right, for courts to move that fast. In your assessment, how long could it take before we could see, a quote-unquote big fish held accountable?
Well, I think the announcement that they would be able to get warrants of arrest by December, by Christmas time, I think that was too optimistic. I think it should come out that those warrants of arrest can be issued either this month or early next month. But December, it was just too optimistic.
Mm-hmm. Well, it was no less than Ombudsman Remulla who also said that they learned a lesson from that, Justice, that they shouldn't give timelines or deadlines anymore or even name names. So do you agree with that? Is that something they should have avoided to begin with because it created expectations for the public?
Yes, I understand that, but they were also under pressure because the public the entire country was up in arms against these anomalies now, against this scam. So that's understandable, but I think these things don't happen that fast. The justices in the Sandigan Bayan will have to study carefully the information, and they have, before they can issue a warrant of arrest, there must be sufficient evidence also.
Mm-hmm. Would it make sense also, this was brought up at some point, to make a special division of the court to try those implicated in the flood control mess? What are your thoughts on that, Justice?
Yes, I have suggested that because most of these cases will fall under the jurisdiction of the Sandigan Bayan. And under the rules of the Sandigan Bayan, the presiding justice can request the Supreme Court to create special divisions in case there is a need. So it's up to the presiding justice and the justices of the Sandigan Bayan if there is a need, because they know their dockets. They know if there is a need to create new divisions. But the members of the new divisions will come from existing justices. They will not be appointed. So it's really up to them, no? Depending on their caseload.